顽强的坚强。我想着布达拉宫从天而身上，手里的那道人指引着他四日落绝生。我想着水声连梦中车途到底，让我听见晨曦钟声回荡在。
Unreal Engine 4 to build the scene of pure PLC control mechanism from IGES file. For automations, plenty of air cylinder or hydraulic cylinder to drive the piece. We prepared the moving piece already. Totally with 25 output and 40 input. The input just singular, so we have to create the moving parts driven by 25 outputs. All the individual elements are available in the file, waiting for translate into Unreal Engines. The cartoon charts can see the whole machines from the top view. The inner piece supplier 2, the outer features of the supplier 2. That's doing the right side half. The left side cylinders are the same as the right side. Okay, let's translate in Unreal Engine 4. Started from the foundation, this one. Okay, import. The first one we have to pick something. The next translations just use merge actors. Don't need to pick anymore. So this is the first one. We have to binding the whole elements into a single name. Push the next one, the last one. At the same time, we have to press the shift key of the keyboard and pick window. Develop tools. Use merge actors. You can see all the elements picked and listed here. Scroll down to pick the landscape curing in here and repress source actors and press the merge actors button. Name, give a single name for the foundation as MYF007M and press the save button. The merge actors finished. Close this window. You can see the foundation MYF07M available. Then for the next one, we translate y1s1.igs. Okay, import. y1s1 available in here. You can see the cartoon charts is this one. Alumi bar prepared at the top by using y1s1 to push one bar down the slope, 45 slope. About 4 alumi bar on the slope. We have to use blanker y2 at Y3 insert to separate the blockage, the falling down of the top, and leave the single one between Y2 and Y3. After Y3 retract back through the gravity, the single one will drop down the first teeth to prepare for assembly of the inner piece. The inner piece through the separator. The supplier by vibrations drop by gravity plenty on the way down to the chamber to the assembly position. The first Y4, the blanker will thrust in to blockage the falling and leave single one inside Y4, S5, Y4 and Y5. As Y5 retract back through the gravity, the single outfitters will drop to the channel of the assemble position. This side is the same. The blanker and the separator for the piece supply. There are 5 sort of groups. One is here, another one is here, and here for the inner piece assembly. For the other fitter supplying is the right side at here, the left side at here. Okay, then let's translate the Y2 F3. Okay, import the Y2 F3 here, inclined 45 degrees. You see the inclined slope. Thrust in to separate, to blockage the falling of the top and leave a single one between the blanker and the separator. Okay, let's translate the Y3, the separator. Okay, import separator in here. Let's continue Y4, S5. The right side in the piece supply. And here, this is a blanker. The supplier by vibrations let the inner piece drop across the chamber. The blanker thrusts in to blockage the falling of the top and leave single one at these positions. As the separator retract back, this piece, inner piece, will drop down to the chamber of assembly of the inner piece. Okay. The next one, let's translate Y5S6. S6 is here, is at the lower parts as a separate of the inner piece at the right side. Then for the assemble has the head to push the inner piece lower down at this side. The Y6S7 piece. Translate. You can see at here. The Y6 arm will push this one through the tunnel and assemble the inner piece into the terminal of the tube, inside the tube, aluminum tube. Y6, S7. Okay, this is for inner piece assembly. The most important is for binding, because the tube and the inner piece, although assembled together, but still loose, we have to binding the aluminum and then the inner piece by using this binder. Here are 3 hydraulic teeth. As Y11 on, we'll push the teeth and the binding 6 holes to sink the aluminum into the inner piece plastic to fix them together. So right now we have to translate Y10 as 15. Y10 as 15. Okay, import. Let's use merge to group them together by using window develop tools, merge actors. Give the name Y10 as 15. Let's see a jump in here. Y11 as 13 is the hydraulic teeth, which is the chart of the jump. You see in here. Let's merge actor. And the Y11 is the sum of Y10. Okay, after we have to translate the head of assemble of the outfitters Y14 as 21. Okay, import. You can see the head for assembly. The head pushed the outfitters through a tunnel. The tunnel is assembled by 2 pieces, the lower piece and the upper piece, which the lower piece Y15 is 24 in. Now you see in here, and the Y16 is 25. Okay, import the upper piece. The upper piece lower down, the lower piece moving up to create a tunnel for assembly. The last one is for the outfitter right sides. The blanker Y18, the separator Y17. We translate the separator Y17 first. Y17 as 27. Yes. Y18 as 28. The blanker at the right side of the outfitter available here. The last two is for the shift. The horizontal cylinder Y24 and the vertical Y25. Y25 is Y24's chart. Let's translate the Y24 first. The mechanism of Y24 driven by horizontal air cylinders like this. Let's merge actor. As the name Y24 S37. Now Y25. Moving up to lift the 10 aluminum bar, moving up higher than the original yellow piece, will lift the 10 aluminum bar, preparing for delivery. Then the horizontal cylinders move to push X 50 millimeters to let the 10 aluminum bar shift to next teeth, and then the vertical cylinder Y25 shut will lower the lifter to set the 10 aluminum bar back to its original supporter, the yellow piece, and then Y24 shut to retract the whole deliver mechanism back to its original position. This is the weight for deliver of the machine. Ending.
永恒的信仰，顽强的坚强。